Yo busuya ye mona dwe mona kwaba zeba oye Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice. Nenyumbri yakopon so ozina chen. The embassy kunya na yemfan sama okotwe okobreman o Ghana hanyina na yen cheche na adwen. Yen hwe kwara bafoda yen so yebobo ma oman Ghana. Ya chiro man yezesiye na mo ya dache echiman so ba obenya ho mfaso. Nida minti enyumbri kasa jumazido na ya hye ebezin komo bebre around the Constitution of Ghana, the 1992 Republican Constitution of Ghana. Onche bia in the run-up to 2024 elections, Mampenyin Joman Mama, then in opposition, or share body, Ghana for an adumnas what to Abaman obey or Mampenyin Bioma. Whereas a young constitution now, when ya be 34 years no, you may be wa or near the Yabasa near Shemukana until November, ya constitutional review and a constitution review. And the meeting only a queen so wapo committee be there 1 year share. No one share the constitution no yamabu able to a review na as a yamabia. And there is maybe a count and a yamabi a free man. Committee Nipa chairman or dano or friend H. Kwesi, Professor H. Kwesi Prempe, no ye chairman or dano. To what now why a person be was one recommendations Abba was about to abandon him. Abanzo or share your discussions nechi was the white paper was about to him. No chede on Chebiela Obopo Air Constitution Implementation Committee. Now washena or your dumb recommendations now was a by now Banaja Tumuno. Over started there or your implementation. Now do by the complete document. Now I can the revise or the review 1992 Constitution of Ghana. Nida minti yes nda recommendations see ya bafa nan kokor na ya bebe ya discussion ya che na adwen wo na yehu de e bia da nyama kurabien ya recommendations that was by ya abana njan to me abensondo na obenya wo oman in terms of yan advancement another improving our democratic credentials no abensondo na obenya wo na ma waja to muso so aba nsondo na ozbaba owo yen amambu wo Ghana hade ni nyina no ye bohwe na ya cheche na adwen fadam nsamsam nyina mesinse oye dani abawana onia oye LAMIDI ALHASSAN the duna nyim do for the Bigman on the honorable assembly member for Ayikoo Tantri Electoral area was also Kasa oye NDC party no nyimbre owa ha na yeguda ye hwede enua Dick Isaac Dick obaba kaye ho on ye MPP ke post north on communicator nyo nti ono so obaba abakaye ho na nyina ya cheche na adwen zafa oye dam nsamia yeza to go na mrema kwana ne da na ye Kasa mkuru ya nje nyima ye nwie on ye fuel proposed fuel increases transport fare increases at GPRTU no any other transport unions we propose no sande ojitum there oye frango fuel akoson abana to fuel nti won so what to transport fares ma osifata echeche na adwina enwie nti no yaba emer da hwa yaba san so yesi da masamido na yehu bebi aize esi na nan ezboto the menyumbri yankopon hye bebre de abaka yehu ma ya be da discussion yi na nyina ya cheche ya adwen afan yen amambu yi ho ya hwekona be foda Ghana yen democracy no ebotum ya hye mukana Bigman akwaba
yenia
bibi aboko
alhamdulillah boni bi anyo
na kotokraba go the ejuma no record fefe
ya ko kaka
okay
just that time assemblies man and yen to me ejuma
because ejuma no wuram no hu de ejuma no so
ejuma na wo na ejuma kaka ba kura na committee no so 5-member committee no post
nimpa no so
asana ya co up to be count but ya be
ya mu rewa mu the stores ni bi da wa da ho obia
normally open shed yeah ogogogo ibinuma ajeje but wonto na azimu but one of them azoya ro wo mo nso there ibi wa jazin no wabobo container stretch ACC bamba no do nti camera no wabobo market one we sisu
so cameras na nyim
nti say impomo no bi shore bi bia room that is one of the channel but yen amount for bakasa there sebete fa che episcan ina bi scan so ne da che wo
ebobo ho ban
entu pescan na sebete fa che atran chamber Whisker na Japazina with himself. No, but that is one thing a mouth for one share. Say a mouth for one, I don't know about the day. In Zamabu, a trenchemisa or the house Casas Babrena, in Zamabu and Chem, Minjans in our bay. And see, you are about your report as I'm assembling. Now I am assembling so recommendations as our pede or you know. Because you're too young to know the man. You're more phone, but I am quite. Like we are so now, I'm off to come down with nature passing as no. My Mohia Susopaya, one of what I was since now. A quan water nazan. Why bow a road? Why were road in Fifi? It is so crown of bus stop in a Waji. I was a market, what an as all cry, is a truck right basis. No wasn't your most good. Miss and also over here now. I see some better cover market. The beauty of marketing in Alampoko. Shanning him in one letter with containers. For phantom now, 4 years now, for a purpose, as a way for a purpose, because the more or sooner consona or you know, give more oxygen. My mouth, but yet, kai. Even if you are your close number or don't make a difference. Don't go to the current MC areas because someone walk with a proper marketing. We feed because of politics. But I told you, some woman in the day say, "Pay to be free marketing, much you to win and live marketing." But yeah, I don't know what to be. I better rectify. And some awkward war market no more. What stores by ye? If you obey a bus, if you obey and not, maybe soon ye be. If you saw Paloma marketing no more. No, but when you and no might be maybe into Mono Kunism. Mean to Musa because of Nukuna and all misbehaving. No, but I may. Not an order, you can do whatever you want to do, I don't care. But you may have never so one more nature or so on. There you understand the loss of this country. I only wonder, man, and bury Juma. Oh, yeah, and so other to know. You're not into a cartoon, not to know what you rep or can represent. No, assembly no so, or yet I saw an Ecatino, Umbra, Ghana Constitution. No, I'm calling a Catino. So I'm going to go market, and I say, a pede. Basa, no, Wakasa, no, at Tombro. And I want to say, politics, yeah, he wasn't got a market court. Some men are my first person, the dead MC or send the rates in the mama, be a second person. As my husband make my shazam go for I was in our court today. That's no problem. Yako court no to some shada. No, Ash MPP at all was a jubilate. That is the most sad aspect. No, wash a part at all. No, one penny want to one penny was marketing.
Okay. Yes.
One penny was marketing. Your quarter. Miss, when you are joint case in pen, what she says, MPP at all celebrate. Yeah. That is Cape Coast for you. For how long never to know Cape Coast they be
as a politics more than our livelihood in development.
Echo better if you the way crossing position and one as a when we don't hear about wine them war party. About to one and obey you here. One and Obama was on one and Obama and put to Papa Waba Manum. You know what Cape Coast are you. So in this over here Dama and Tibetan in the stadium the market here. And what is I wasn't on Cape Coast. Apart from Kwame Kuma University see. Nothing. And as a people, our former capital town, you're not yet independent. Yes, more West Africa, Macha and Nokwa or pay aboriginal rights of society. What prayer we're protecting in West African lands from the Queen. Even an answer from the worker and answer you. Yeah, I be sure. but yɛn behavior no nkyɛn yɛ adehye yɛn behavior no nkyɛn yɛ adehye kura nti ɛbɛto to asɛn yɛn amanfo ahobrɛase na yɛn won't collaborate with us because if you're not a true reporter, obi be ala ya moto ni be ala store na vacant yes but me imperfect. I assembly am not catch me so I assembly no property. Until say assembly no more property na say operate room. Na say bibi intend to operate room pa no yem no say na electoral come assembly no back. I want share one from assembly. But what am rent? Yanka say now okay, we need to see. And nobody is above the law. Okay.
My announcement information into any Shazafu Monim. They are Brente Baketis, Banase, a professional broadcaster, news reporter, presenter, camera operator, or video editor. No, Dam Aquini Abadahamo, a big opportunity be Yazamo. Coastal TV Media Multimedia Production presents a 6-week intensive radio and TV training program designed to equip you with practical media skills for today's competitive industry. Nyama ebecheche ibini news gathering, news reporting, radio and TV presentation, camera handling, video and audio editing, news writing, voice training and diction, interview techniques, digital journalism, media ethics, media law. Na nanka kawo bebre na ebotum ya chechere. Na se training wi a oyaza yemama wakonya ma Abacosta TV ha na onye yen other partner media houses, ebi newspapers, ebi radio stations, other TV stations. Bebi apere kwa ya we internship bia no ye wo arrangement wo ha ebotum ya wako na akaye wo internship. Na say internship no wie na se wonyima so nya the station na baby akwa kaya internship no obofo wodwuma no wa mo appointment letter na also ahedwuma ase na agipe akra na etum as a bibi ego kondo ma abusua so wo ho atonwan nti de na minti no yetonsa from there to anamabra oye Kosa TV front desk ha na ba for form na won church nyama no mu ye na bra na abe dem training anaso de per further details and information na about my friend or 0246 731 371 0246 731 371 only number able to my friend Kosa TV Multimedia Production, training the next generation of media professionals in your professionals who are about train woman esuase fe na se ko na ka yedwuma na onyaza ebe bre wo kono bia do eti training is yame adoma on the 8th of September na ebotum ya hyase na ya kire nti bra number for form ana frɛ na yanye wo mboa na etum ahyedam training ase we chirimpa e ba ha e be ya arrangement amoma enye baby as wuti bottle na mo be ya within 6 weeks no ebotum aye training no ewie ti enye nka bo a esema enuanu ma ope nsanchire dwuman waye pede be professional trained journalist akonya no Kosa TV hade nti bomas ne to anamon na bra eda wase Bigman yehwe oye yan constitution review commission ana committee oye commission na issues was by proposals was by there opere abanhwe na oye ho adwuma oyaza odoso over 80 proposals na odawa recommendations odawa order wotum wofa na wohwe wotum woyɛ dem changes no mo bɛyɛ yen kabamike amombun yebotum ya hyemu kana na alero day no was one recommendations was by no aban osum na once we review a wohwehwema na wohu de nyama bi wo ho oyaza ode wotum watentin na kakra anada easy aban gituma onyeye nti okay nti no yabafa issues no one na yetum ya discuss na ya share some of the recommendations are obey also reduce executive powers of the president by sharing some appointment powers mampini tuma ina yitum le mampini tumo kitanze oyebebre odoso nto oda yitum etodo nti ebohwe na require more independent appointment to be approved through transparent process. Review the presidential power to appoint metropolitan, municipal, and district chief executives, MMDCs, you know, or the only the instant entity, you know, or the twaba na easy or MCs, if you see a partisan, if you see a non-partisan. That was then the bone of contention. Me is there. Edruwa iwotum ya cheche yanadwen na ya hwe in your intino no us there. Okay, election of MMDCs ono oyaza oho na parliament also increase parliament's independence from the executive, limit the number of ministers appointed from parliament, strengthen parliament's oversight role, review the winner takes all political system. Only as that na improve transparency in judicial appointments, independent constitutional bodies with the NCC, SHRAG, Electoral Commission, National Media Commission, no, or there was a mukana, no more sika, no wotum was ye a juma. Another recommendation of local government, deepen decentralization process, increase financial autonomy for metropolitan, municipal, and district assembly, always on also anti-corruption and accountability. Also, or traditional authorities, one say, or Tribuna nana, our fundamental human rights. Human rights is one say, or on political parties and elections, improve political party financing. Namiyala Electoral Commission was a bad day. Or the delegate system of electing presidential candidate and parliamentary candidates, no, or yaza, or your own constitutional, into no order, who boom, no, be a kita party card, the diano, otum onya konyana, or twaba, ozi, ne presidential candidate, another ne parliamentary candidate, into nina, so or yaza, or count, onupo kauna, or ye court, otum was it the Supreme Court, otum was it the decision was a ban. You know, for issues, no. Na ya cheche yanadwen na recommendations are mepere yeshe say us there required the president to appoint a majority of ministers from outside parliament. Na government's reason for rejection, on the government rejected the mazno also government prefer to retain the current hybrid presidential system, arguing it promotes cooperation between the executive and legislature. The committee required president oba appoint or a majority of ministers from parliament, you know, from outside parliament. And the president also government is not that big. When the coordination between parliament and executive, no much. Into a better woman maintain that coordination, no, into Oyaza or rejected. Now, completely separate the executive from parliament by prohibiting MPs from serving as ministers. This is a very good recommendation, and also governments in there. This will fundamentally alter Ghana's constitutional system and require a different model of governance. And can never put my there. A minister stay as a minister, don't have any parliamentary business. Na say a MP MP to the parliament MP saying no ones I know shambra. Okay, what you say essay or one. Now create the position of prime minister alongside the president. Unimpose images there. Rejecting that it's okay because unopposing can make any difference, but also rejected because it will significantly change Ghana's presidential system and could create conflict in executive authority. I agree with government. Now make all metropolitan, municipal, and district chief executives elected immediately. Government supported the idea in principle, but rejected immediate implementation, citing the need for broader national consensus and further constitutional review. Oh no. Okay, last one. Last one in Kahuna. Reduce or remove some presidential appointment powers beyond what the government considers appropriate. Now abolish the Council of State. The Council of State is imposing. Abolish na nkoye. Require independent candidates to contest parliamentary elections. Say independent candidates na say presidential election na order in parliamentary candidates who all the constituencies. So aban so anja ntum. Was in the constitution number 1 they be go to a independent candidate as an MP. If you go to a independent candidate as a presidential candidate into no yama nko onye dama. Also change electoral system from first past the post to proportional representation or mixed system. Oh, okay. Okay. Some of the issues are able to discuss now. MMDC election of the MMDC say Professor Ajimandia or say government nezinyi there oben nominate nyimpa 5 na we scrutinize one later no mesafu 2 count na later no wasanso what was about 3 na wama we jinadu na what wonder aba. And so dama no there is a government, the president who will do those appointments over appointing the party for. They say this now benima over appointing this ponkotin 5 no and 3 no way you what to aba no way you crave him or MPPs now benima over appointing MPP ponkotin no was we sondo 3 no way na want was at aba and already no one MPP nyina still over MC no they da mintin nka yembem da mo obeya democracy no obeye okay winner takes all no that ma winner takes all nka system nka ibutum ya etwomu no no chere say and this na wa benuma you have MPP people as MMDCs say MPP na wa benuma wo NDC fa obutum wa ye the district executive wo district bi nyi then kan recommendation ko papa
recommendation no Moti biala ebiala to abo emanemu anto akwante bi na hetu kwenyimfa enti moti biala ebia wo party bi no wa wonzi party sam wo hwe emanu mo osa otoko na wa kire wona adwen wa abato ho dan mo kofun bebre wo so a wo pede wo ba wo boa yen amanyesam Mosa sant Odrumbeba ya kasa na yanzu mai biya yayye wa aman ya seminti wama wan peda wa baba inta abanda na zai da no o peda oza dwumbeba da nche yembo ma amadamo kofuna wa peda wa baba buona bibi nti wontu won kashe party chinu ama we na wetu wa be local level no wa bobua. For example se bi awele ndo peda obabo suma na sa aban bonizin wire 5 aban botu wa bo especially the NDC the one yenzi ye hwe wo party anayi ansana because your current vice president fit am start politics when this maintenance in the door kamuda
o say onye de new
no because no IEU no whole presidential debate nazi but odu bibina NDC open there na me no potential no NDC for kafenda on base minister some of us we are not happy because if the party what's the no waka for now obezi obe party ejuma obezi party you e kakanda or vice president as for that one the but more in there say NDC is abanewa no friend say baby away strong MPP ewa no say waka for MPP the ombezi MCA you can say with that system now can say MPP NDC as that polarizing access system no kwa I shall be sabotage government
and so next elections no you lose it
about support government
no government ori ejuma onu na kasa no so obanas wan ejuma Chairman Kwafun Washana. The next election will not even try.
He careless.
Now no MC no
and then because of politics it be too okubia. Yes, because of politics. It be too obi because of politics.
Okay.
The way you suban the system. Into some friend there, Ebo Kumasi de efa voter region. Away NDC stronghold and emo. Na say e kafa NDC the onkazi MC. Na say pokono party some ezizina. Esha president ababro no butu wabo. Bra also no obon ndo obon wabon by 3 days and 4 days. Obo to tree abandon the other than although in as much as we are you independent people we go to why ejuma but party for one more come ejuma because amide nazimo example no so time yepra mama win election na yin ekins honorable Anthony ekins you won
no more blaster
you won bibia
no
ye dirty work my party na abapon one ye damage mu ye won wo bibia ye win election na waka fund be ombezi MC atasa entawala nkasa party na ayekapere na ama o soldier for chian wo lock na azina na no wo bra abre enta waka so bo ahwe wo you masama you get my point enta azuma second on twa o enti say yanye careful adende no as a problem bubble party. It is I'm support the president Obo Yimpa 5. No one vet one. No one know what to remember na 200 aba. Animal bobo. I don't so Obama Yipokono Obo the A. Me a list mistake. As I remember so vote of no confidence. Wait for
I want to kind of sabotage when I'm reaching there. Say if you didn't go to a sabotage the government under who circumstances go to market. Somebody because there were some members so they can pass vote of no confidence in him. Into no so be careful there. As I mean mokutia abana no it will go against me. What we me for even before me 4 years no and I propose 5 years no oboso. Be careful why you juma obey juma even to please the government of the day. Them one by ya kofu there eyimpo no che there or opposition minded person but open juma why the answer to man no so about fight there he will continue to stay in office and work.
Mama Kasa misoncho every day yimpo biala all politics ma ibiana na adwuna ozo politics ma
yes sorry
unlike here na ya na adwuna there you want to politics to serve ibo all for ska
ska
enti say impokunu maniska na impokunu ya as bonde npa ontumanka I would order me was and I NS time come and they came to me one against her. And so I kept closer.
What's it? NS against one maniska, then one from Kasa, but not so one against. My principle is different. I'm there to serve my people, not my selfish interests. Into other feed on one mouth. I'm not my friends, my mouth. I'm a miskin.
I want everyone there. I'm a scantum.
Yeah.
I'm a scatter point, maybe says the same way and just the same years because often I don't believe in that. Because men are not to move for there. Me yabutani yankopana Mamado. And then alhamdulillah yankopana Mamado. At a mecha 5 months in 1 pump net rembra, then 200 aba. What to order but the whole population not to aba. And in the assembly members when you say they overka kind of vote of no confidence to. Or yeah, assembly members, just a 2/3 of the whole constituents and then people know what to abazmon. I want to ask someone. For example, as assembly member, Matana say, if you don't feel the management, yes, so you know, pay way me feel good. Or say no way 2/3 of people who voted for me.
Yeah.
Which is around 1,000. When they come over, that is where the challenge will also come.
See, abolishing. Council of this is going to be now when they want to name for song. They are just there to draw salaries. Either even from the days of the late President Rawlings, ozeba kufuo ozeba ata de nyebo hana efide council of state yehu de ebimu ya ihunfo wo yankofo mpanyimfo wa bobra awoden ko to president fo de mazi omampanyin ye ale de mazi men ye wo wande azna akodo ndi se oruwa
baba man abazi na okakaye oka peskantano president mo obaka na anu so onyempo anu because of scorian oyi obeying tinti on kasa that is the problem. First in the answer na the year council of state member wa o ti de yimpa wa bobra o was build na dunu do wa sumema na akwachi but then as for me western regions or western I start to be pay money so we don't get the competent people to go and advise the president.
Reduce or remove some presidential appointment powers beyond what the government considered appropriate. In terms of the president, the other ones in positions in there, because of the entrenched nature of our politics, BBI partisan or many more. Or appoint police chief or IGP, or appoint electoral commissioner, prison officers, chief fire officer, or appoint the monk of Winina.
It's nature, that is how you see it. But Eben we born there until them. Sent to come.
I tell Nana what there. Go to Dampare. What set up committee?
Mama Kasa mention. That is the reason I'm telling you there. Ukofubi wezi ya mane upa, wezi ya mane mwanpa. But one pere baka.
Okay.
I would definitely hati there in China because of that one kofu impa. In China IGP na jimpancha. See. Everyone that president will be done. Everyone will be onye too political.
But
yeah, nobody is. Aku for the bed pen was standing starting the where you build and you think that Asana Bako